The Encor Series 1 is a British-built Restomod that reimagines the classic Lotus Esprit using modern engineering while preserving the design spirit of the 1970s. The company Encor, founded by entrepreneur Simon Lane, brought together engineers and designers with experience at brands such as Aston Martin, Koenigsegg, Lotus Cars, Pagani, and Porsche. The original Esprit, first introduced in 1976, was engineered by Colin Chapman and styled by Italian designer Giugiaro. In 1996, the model gained a 3.5-liter twin-turbo V8 engine known as Type 918, transforming the car into a true supercar. The Encor Series 1 uses late-production Esprit V8 donor cars, retaining only the steel backbone chassis, engine block, gearbox casing, and VIN number. Nearly everything else is redesigned. The new body is made entirely from carbon fiber, replacing the original fiberglass structure. This reduces weight to about 1,200 kilograms, while significantly improving rigidity and safety. Exterior design was led by Dan Durant, who previously worked on the Lotus Emira. Key visual features include slimmer pop-up LED headlights, wider tracks, modernized rear lighting, and cleaner body lines that closely resemble early Esprit concepts. The rebuilt 3.5-liter V8 receives forged pistons, upgraded turbochargers, modern fuel systems, and a stainless steel exhaust. Output increases to about 400 to 405 horsepower and 475 newton-meters of torque, approximately 350 pound-feet. The 5-speed manual transmission, improved with help from Quaife, includes revised gears, a limited slip differential, and a twin-plate clutch. Performance figures include 0 to 100 kilometers per hour, 0 to 62 miles per hour in roughly 4 seconds, and a top speed near 282 kilometers per hour, about 175 miles per hour. Inside, the cabin preserves the original driving position and twin-spoke steering wheel layout, but introduces digital instrumentation, climate control, modern infotainment, and improved materials. Only 50 units are planned, making the Encor Series 1 a rare and highly engineered tribute to one of Britain's most iconic sports cars.